A very powerful feature inside of Active Roles, and something that adds to the One Identity, Better Together story, is integration between Active Roles and authentication services. In Active Roles, I can create and maintain all the different types of accounts in my Unix and Linux systems directly in the same UI that I manage Active Directory, Azure AD, Office 365, etc., etc., etc. Here you can see that I have a policy. This is all built into the system, and I can tell it how I want to do it. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use all the default commands. Let's see what that looks like. So if I were to go over to an employee, and I click on the Unix tab, I can see I can click Unix enabled. It's gone ahead and created a UID, created the primary GID numbers, their login shell and everything, and I could edit these as I wanted to, if I wanted to, but I don't really need to do that for this. Same thing in our web interface. In our web interface, I could go into a user, click on the Unix account tab, and I can Unix enable them. I could also see, if this were already enabled user, I could see all that information as well. I can configure the web UI to show what information I want to show and not show, who has access to what particular thing. So maybe I let my help desk see somebody's login shell, but they can't change it. Maybe I let end users change their own login shell. And I can make this really simple and easy through Active Roles configuration. So as you can see, our integration between Active Roles and authentication services really adds a lot of power to Active Roles and lets you maintain your Unix and Linux bridge directly inside the same system that you're using to maintain Active Directory.